What is a calorie? You've probably heard the word calories a lot lately, but have you ever wanted to take a deeper look at what a calorie actually is? If you have, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Calories are a unit of measurement for energy. When referring to nutrition, it refers to the amount of energy your body gets from something. 1 calorie is the amount of energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. However, in nutrition, we usually talk about calories with a capital C. These are actually kilocalories. This means that if you eat something that has 100 calories in it, you are providing your body with 100 kilocalories of energy. Calories provide the energy your body needs to function. They fuel your basic functions such as heartbeat, lungs breathing, brain processing, and allow cells to repair and reproduce. The amount of calories needed to do these basic functions is referred to as your basal metabolic rate, or BMR. Calories are also used as fuel when you perform physical activities, such as running or lifting weights. Did you know that your brain uses about 20% of your daily caloric intake to think, focus, and regulate your body? Calories are essential for muscle growth, after exercise repair, healing wounds, and producing new cells, enzymes, and hormones, because they fuel the building and repair of your tissues. Lastly, calories are used to keep your internal temperatures stable. In order to calculate how many calories you need a day, you must first find your BMR. To find your BMR, use the Mifflin-St. Jeor equation. The equation is different for men and women. The equations to find your BMR are displayed here. If you get little to no exercise daily, multiply your BMR by 1.2. If you do light exercise 1 to 3 days a week, multiply it by 1.375. For moderate exercise 3 to 5 days a week, multiply it by 1.55. For hard exercise 6 to 7 days a week, multiply it by 1.725. And for very hard exercise and a physical job, multiply it by 1.9. This will give you how many calories you need to maintain your weight, also known as maintenance calories. Now, you don't have to do all of this manually. There are calorie calculators out there that are free to use that will do all of this for you. In order to lose weight, subtract 250 to 500 from your maintenance calories, and to gain weight, add 250 to 500 to your maintenance calories. Your body doesn't absorb calories directly. Instead, it absorbs nutrients and extracts energy, aka calories, from them during metabolism. So the first step is for you to consume some sort of calories. Then your body breaks down your food into smaller parts in a process called digestion. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, aka sugar, proteins are broken down into amino acids, and fats are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. All of these molecules contain energy that is measured in calories. The absorption of nutrients happens mainly in the small intestine when the nutrients pass through the intestine wall into your bloodstream or lymph system. Glucose enters the blood and goes to the cells for energy or storage. Amino acids go to tissues to build and repair proteins. The fatty acids are absorbed into the lymph and then the bloodstream. Specialized structures called the villi and microvilli made absorption of nutrients more efficient by increasing the surface area in the small intestine. If you eat more calories than you need, that extra energy is stored as fat, and if you eat fewer calories than you need, fat is broken down for energy. However, it is important to note that muscle is better fuel for your body than fat, so muscle will be broken down first. In order to make sure your body breaks down fat instead of muscle, you must create some sort of demand on your muscles so your body knows it can't break those down. This can be done through lifting weights, for example. Calorie counting apps like MyFitnessPal are amazing tools to make sure that you get enough calories and ensure that you don't overeat. However, the app is only effective if the user is honest about what they eat. If you don't log all your food or log less than you actually have, then the app isn't going to be very effective. It's important to remember that after you've eaten your meal, logging a different amount than you actually ate isn't going to help anything. Anyways, that wraps it up for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or critiques, feel free to leave a comment below. If you want to support this channel or just like content like this, please press the subscribe button. I hope you all have an amazing day, and remember, Jesus loves you.